Hi, I wanted to tell you about a really awesome email I had this morning in my inbox. It was from the charter Yacht Braveheart, and they have just had a new video commissioned by Yacht Images, and it's pretty spectacular. It's like a movie trailer. It's awesome, and I really liked it. I really enjoyed it. I'm going to show it in a minute, but I'd like to tell you a bit about Braveheart. Braveheart is a 58-foot, 2000 build. You've got space for 9 guests over 4 double cabins and a single cabin. They are set up for diving. They're basically set up to be a dive liveaboard. They're really awesome. Jerry, I know, is at least a dive instructor. Jerry and Dawn are owner-operators, and they invest their entire life, everything that they are, into their charters. And you never see a guest come away dissatisfied with their charters. Because of that, they have a lot of repeat guests, and it's hard to get on that boat. They're very exclusive, so I'd implore you to call and book them up fast. The thing they don't mention on the video is that they have actually spearheaded the efforts in the BVI to eradicate lionfish. Now, if you don't know anything about lionfish, they're invasive species, and we have to get rid of them because they're wrecking our fish population and our reefs. Yeah, Jerry and Dawn have put together an organisation that helps educate tourists and dive centres and just the passerby about how to, help solve this problem in the BVI so we can preserve our natural beauty. And they're so enthusiastic about everything above and below the waves. It's just a pleasure to be with them. So I'm going to shut up now. You're going to enjoy the video and give us a call because they're a great charter boat. So, LSB, baby, let's sell some boats. Woo!
Braveheart is a 58-foot luxury catamaran, custom built for charter. She sleeps 9 guests in 4 equal private queen staterooms, each with ensuite head and a separate shower. Braveheart never runs out of fun things to do. We have lots of water sports, including kayaking, stand-up paddleboards, water skis, wakeboard, and ski tubes.
Welcome! My name is Dawn and I'm the chef and the stewardess on Braveheart. Braveheart stands for freedom, and I like to give our guests the freedom to choose their menus and to choose the drinks that they enjoy the most. To enjoy cocktails in the evening, or whether it's fine wines after your dinners. We will ensure that all your dietary requirements are met. After breakfast, you'll have the luxury of knowing that you have the day ahead to enjoy relaxing and having fun. With lunch and dinner to be prepared for you, with your cabins made, you have nothing to worry about. Jerry and I adore nature, on land and at sea. And the ocean's our largest playground. So why not come and have fun and join us on Braveheart and have your adventure of a lifetime in paradise.
Braveheart is a unique vessel because we offer a full-service scuba experience on board. We are equipped to be a live-aboard dive boat with the latest gear for up to 9 guests.
We've had the most wonderful experiences on Braveheart. From the moment we get up in the morning till we go to bed at night, it's just filled with activity, and Dawn and Jerry are the most gracious hosts you could ever ask for. Just the sailing, the snorkeling, the food, everything is just wonderful, and we'll definitely be back.
We love to have children and groups and families aboard Braveheart so that we can show you the freedom of sailing around these various islands, to take you to secluded bays and absolutely idyllic anchorages.
Braveheart for us has been a whole new holiday experience. It's not just a catamaran, it's a 5-star floating hotel. And we're certainly going to be doing this again.